everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday and I've got a project on my hook today. I am working with Willow Yarns Rise. I know I shared this with you last week, and I'm working on a swimsuit cover-up slash tunic top. You could wear it for a shirt or a swimsuit cover-up, and I'm really excited to work with this yarn. Big thank you to Willow Yarns for providing this yarn. It's super soft and super fabulous, and it is cotton and acrylic. And I shared this last week. It is a size 3 yarn, so it's kind of like a fingering weight, and it's shaded in greens. This one is called Seafoam. The color is Seafoam, and it kind of shows up like an ombre style. I'll show you the work that I'm working on and how it comes out in stitch format here, because you can see on the ball of yarn it's a lot of different green colors, but this comes out shaded, and it kind of looks ombre with like green and then like a teal, turquoise, aqua color, seafoam, I guess. So it's kind of like an ombre style. So I'm working on a panel for the front and back, and then I'll show a tutorial on how to make this, but I just love how that color turns out. And then I'm working with chains there. So it's going to be a very open, flowy, summery top, and I cannot wait to share it with everybody. So that will be next week. This week we're going to be filming that blanket border that I've been talking about forever now, for a few weeks now, and we're finally going to be filming that. It's just been kind of difficult with all the, doctor appointments I've been having for baby and my parents' schedule. We're trying to coordinate when to film and when to get video tutorials out for all the YARNutopians. So I've been working hard and trying to get projects made, and then we'll film them. So hopefully my parents will be here this week and we will have the blanket border out by this weekend, and then next week will be this swimsuit cover-up, and then we'll go on to the next project, which I still have to plan. But last week, Saturday, this past weekend, Nate and I had our maternity photos taken, and I was so nervous. I was insecure and worried and all about my body changing and everything, but I decided to share the photos on my blog. It's on YARNutopia.com. There's about like 15 photos on there, and I bared it all, and I have to say a huge thank you to everyone who has commented. I read every single one of your comments. I may not have replied to every one of them. There are so many, like thousands of comments on there, and I have to say a huge thank you to everybody who has just said some really encouraging things, some really sweet comments, and just everybody who has reached out to me and shared your experiences as well. I am so happy to share my pregnancy experience with all of you, all of my YARNutopians in this community, and you are nothing but supportive, and I felt nothing but love, and this baby is so loved and cared for, and everything was just wonderful. I just had the best experience sharing it with you, and the feedback was incredible. So I can't say thank you enough for everybody who just commented and liked and viewed the blog and reached out to me and messaged me. I was so nervous sharing those pictures, and you all just made me feel so comfortable. So thank you so much. And also, I wanted to kind of spread awareness for people who are going through similar circumstances as me. I mean, I know everybody's different in their struggle with illness or surgeries and everything, but I wanted to share my personal experience, and if I can shed light on people who have Crohn's disease, or people who have ostomy bags, or people who have had abdominal surgeries, I just wanted to share what it really looks like and what it really is, because through all of this, you know, through the stretching and through the pain and everything, there is a beautiful life inside there, and I'm gonna start to cry. I'm just so excited to share this with everybody, and this baby boy is so loved, and we are really excited. And my hormones are going crazy. But I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for just all the positive feedback on the blog. It was amazing. And if you haven't seen it yet, I will put a link to it in the description of this video so you can view it and read it. Just some more information of what we're going through in this maternity journey, this pregnancy journey. And yesterday we actually had a doctor appointment, and it went very well, and we just discussed more in depth of our birth plan, which we have less than 10 weeks to go, so it's just flying by so fast, and we're just so excited. So yeah, you can check out the blog, YARNutopia.com. I will link the maternity photos in the description of this video so you can check it out, and viewer discretion is advised. Obviously my belly is out, but it just shows, you know, what I've been dealing with my scars stretching, and with having an ostomy bag, and everything just stretches, and the pain I go through, but also, like, it is, like I said, amazing that there's a human in there and he's growing and he's doing so well. So we're so excited to just hold him in our arms. I can't wait. So anyway, I digress. So just check out the blog. Thank you for everybody who has seen it, who has shared it, and shared it with somebody who is going through a similar situation. I really appreciate everybody who's reaching out. So yeah, we had our maternity appointment yesterday, so that was really awesome. Now today, I'm wearing a sweatshirt. Like, I'm like in pajamas, just being kind of a bum today. I'm gonna just chill on my comfy chair and not really do much of anything but crocheting. So I just wanted to hop on here and say hi to everybody really quickly and see what's on your hook today. Leave me a comment of what you're working on this week, and are you working on anything Easter related, because Easter's coming up this weekend, and if you have plans, let me know. What are you doing? What do you do for Easter? If you do, you know, celebrate, observe the Easter holiday, leave me a comment on what you're doing this weekend, and I just hope that you all have a safe and healthy and happy Easter weekend. But I am just going to work on this swimsuit cover up for the rest of the day and kind of just veg out and be a bum on my couch. So nothing too exciting is going on here, and yeah, so I guess I'll just check in next week and check out our video tutorial coming out very soon for the blanket border using fleece. We're going to be using a rotary cutter, using a skip stitch blade, and we are going to be using Red Heart Yarn's Bunches of Hugs yarn, I think. So we are going to be using different mediums in this next crochet tutorial, so I'm really excited to film that and get it out to you this weekend. So until next time, until next week, happy hooking!